Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is he invited ants to dinner. A, we, B, you, C, us, and D, them. So the correct option is B, you. The next MCQs is neither they nor their friends. A, his, B, neither they nor their friends. They solved the question. A, has, B, have, C, was, and D, were. So the correct option is A. Neither they nor their friend has solved their question. The question. The next MCQ is he asked me dash. How are you? B. How was I? C. How you are? And D. How I was. So the correct option is D. How I was. The next MCQ is she asked me A. Bring a glass of water for her. B. To bring a glass of water for me. C. To bring a glass of water for her. And D. None of these. So the correct option is C. To bring a glass of water for her. The next MCQ is when your friend he'll be very tired. A. Arrived. B. Will arrive. C. Arrives. And D. Arriving. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the sentence which has one dependent and one independent class is called A. Compound sentence. B. Complex sentence. C. Compound complex sentence. And D. Exclamatory sentence. So the correct option is B. Complex sentence. The next MCQ is real. A. Copied. B. Idea. C. Original. And D. Given. So the correct option is C. Original. The next MCQ is absolute. A. Division. B. Complete. C. Small. And D. Half. So the correct option is B. Complete. The next MCQ is unfold. A. Conceal. B. Withhold. C. Maintain. And D. Elaborate. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is commence. A. To end. B. To begin. C. Nearing finish. And D. To run. So the correct option is B. To begin. The next MCQ is anxiety. A. Problem. B. Very. C. Relaxed. And D. Nervous. So the correct option is C. Relaxed. Choose the word nearly opposite in meaning to the given word. A. For. A. Black. B. Out. C. Interview. And D. Onward. So the correct option is A. Black. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your biology, sharpen your skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.